Hi everyone! So in front of me I've got two ingredients, double cream and white chocolate. We are going to make the most delicious white chocolate mousse and it is just going to be gorgeous. Melt the chocolate over a pot of simmering water, making sure that the water is not touching the bottom of the bowl. Now leave the melted chocolate to cool. In a separate bowl, using a hand mixer, whip the double cream until soft peaks form, but be careful not to overmix. Look at that, look at how creamy that is. That's some creamy goodness, and we're gonna fold it into our white chocolate and it's gonna look oh so good. Put the mousse in a glass. Finally, decorate your white chocolate mousse with some blueberries and put it in the fridge to set. Okay, let's try some. Oh my goodness, look at that lovely texture. I need to get some of the blueberries in. This is so yummy. I mean, just look at that texture. That is gorgeous. So good. So delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.